S'more infused butter. Why would you want that? Because you could spread it all over waffles, pancakes, croissants. The options are endless. Imagine flavoring all those things with s'mores butter? Check this out. Alright, so for ingredients, I have graham cracker and chocolate already been blended up. I have butter right here, and I have our marshmallows, of course. First, start with your dry ingredients. I'm dropping them into the Vitamix, the chocolate, and the graham cracker. We're gonna blend that up till it's a fine powder. So, get a non-stick saute pan. We're gonna go ahead and you're gonna drop your butter in the pan. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna melt this down. You don't wanna boil the butter, just get it nice and melted all the way down. So once your butter is completely melted, go ahead, add your marshmallows in there. And then you're gonna slowly melt these. Now, keep this all on a low temperature. We don't want nothing simmering, boiling. Just let these marshmallows get almost melted, and then we're gonna add our chocolate and graham cracker in. Oh, must need items, non-stick spatula, also a non-stick pan. I've been constantly stirring, so once your marshmallows get to this point, go ahead and add that mixture of the chocolate and the graham cracker and continue to just stir this in and let all this completely come together. I killed my heat and I've just been continuously mixing, and now it's starting to tighten up and get real hard. Once it gets to this stage, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna drop it into our canning jar, and then we're gonna set it in the refrigerator. All I did was I took the hot contents and I put them into a canning jar like this. We're gonna sit this in the refrigerator and let it harden back up. Alright, so when you put the contents into a canning jar very hot and you seal it up and it cools, it automatically seals itself and becomes canned. So you can store this butter for a long time. S'mores infused butter, there it is. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. Sexy!